Leo loved trains, but not just any trains. He loved the super-duper whiz, bang, giggle, giving trains that zoomed across the land. Today, Leo and his friend Penny were on the Sparkle Express, heading to the Giggle Pop Festival. Suddenly, a strange blip, beep, boop sound filled the air. The train began to chug, chug, chug slowly. "Oh dear!" cried the conductor, a kindly squirrel with a tiny hat. "The Sparkle Express has a glitch!" Leo, with his trusty magnifying glass, squinted. "A glitch? We can fix it, right, Penny?" Penny. "Of course! We're the best glitch busters!" They looked around the control panel. Wires were wiggling, and lights were blinking in a funny rhythm. Said Leo, pointing his magnifying glass. "This green wire looks a bit droopy." Penny carefully pushed the green wire back into its spot. Click! It went. The train gave a little whoosh, but then blip, boop, zess! It made an even funnier noise. "That didn't quite work," giggled Penny. "Maybe it's this button." She pressed a big red button. Suddenly, bubbles filled the train car. "Whoops! Wrong button!" Leo laughed, popping a bubble. "That's the bubble bath mode." They giggled as the bubbles floated away. "Let's check the train's map," suggested Penny. On the map, a tiny red dot was flashing, right next to the snack compartment. The snack compartment? Leo wondered. What could be wrong there? They hurried to the snack compartment. Instead of yummy treats, a tiny robot was stuck, trying to eat all the cookies. "Aha!" exclaimed Penny. "Hiss! Gobbling up the power!" Leo gently moved the hungry robot away from the cookie pile. "There you go, little fella. Share the snacks." With a final chew! Chew! Whoosh! The Sparkle Express zoomed off at full speed again. Leo and Penny cheered, ready for their Giggle Pop Festival adventure.